Don't forget to subscribe and give me that like.
Buffalo, go. Come on, let's go, baby. Let's collect 15 buffalo heads. All right, Devin. Let it spin. Just let it spin. Come on. Come on, coin. Yeah. Come on, coin. Come on, coins. Come on, coins. Okay, you need 15 buffalo heads, and all those numbers and letters turn into buffaloes. Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on, coins. Two trigger. Oh, damn it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. How many more games we got left? We got 5 or 13.
Yeah,
Come on, we need to collect more buffalo heads. We need them gold buffalo heads. Come on. Damn it, 3. God damn it. Alright, alright, alright. Damn, you got a nice hit right there too. Yeah, come on, let's go, buffalo heads. Come on, buffalo heads, okay? Now the eagle's gonna turn to buffaloes. Come on. Come on, we need coins. We need coins.
Or buffalo.
Coins? Oh man, we need coins so that we can trigger more games. Uh-oh, 6, come on.
Coins.
Come on, don't disappoint us. Oh my goodness. One more game left. Let's get a couple coins. Coins and some buffalo heads. Coins. Coins. Okay. Coins.
One more.
Buffalo head. Coins. Buffalo head. Coins. Okay. We got 8. So now the yep, Jaguars. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's pair it up with Buffalo. Come on, Buffalo. 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 Oh my God. Come on. Come on, let's go. Oh, yes. Yes. Yeah. Happy birthday, boy. Come on, let's go. Hell yeah. Come on. Come on. After I record this one, I'm going to record that one over there. You got, come on, buffalo heads. Come on. Pair it up with buffalo.
Coins too.
Buffalo. Oh my God. One more game left. We need to re-trigger here. Talk you up.
Rig, dude.
I'll come record yours too, kid.
240.
Come on, let's go. We need coins. We need coins. Oh, 50, 40. Not bad. Okay, keep playing it. All right, Q, let's see yours. Let's go, birthday boy.
Come on, give me something good.
Coins, buffalo head. Yes, 3. Times 3. Coin, come back. Oh, drop. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Yeah. Come on, baby. Coin. Oh. Come on. 4 more games. Come on, we gotta do some damage here. Come on. We need coins. We need re-trigger. Oh. Come on, let's go, baby. Re-trigger. Oh. Alright, Q1 3180. Alright. Bonus on Buffalo Gold. $3.40 bet. Let's go, baby. Keep on collecting. Come on, trigger. Come on. let them go ahead, buffaloes. Come on, golden head buffaloes. Coins and re-triggers. Come on. Come on, coins. Come on, golden head buffaloes. Come on. Coins. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Three. Phenomenal win. Come on. Win more. Let's go. $95. Come on. Come on, we trigger. We trigger. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, we trigger. Oh my God. We need more coins. Coin, 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 coin. Oh no. Let it spin, let it spin, let it spin. Let it spin, let it spin, let it spin, let it spin. What's that? What's the total? Go ahead and hit it. Oh, $229, $60 hit. Let's go. 1, 2. Come on, coin. 3, 4, 5. Come on, coin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Come on, coin. Come on, let's go, baby. Come on, coin. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, coin. Damn it, we'll be back, dude. Let's keep doing that.
Got it again?
I don't know what they're doing. I don't know why you keep on doing that. Come on, let's go. Come on, don't do that to me. I do, but I don't know why you did that. Come on. Come on. Coins. Then you try and cheat, dude. Never let me win. Come on. Come on, trigger. Come on. We need a big hit. 4 more games. Come on, let's go. Coin. Damn it. Coin. Come on, coin. Come on. Come on. Oh. Last one. Come on. We gotta win. Big one. Come on. Coin. God damn it.